Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to allow camera access on Snapchat. First of all, open the Snapchat application. To use Snapchat, please allow access to your camera. Snapchat cannot take pictures and videos without this permission. Go to Phone Settings and scroll down to click on Apps. Tap on App Management. Search here Snapchat and click on it. Tap on Permissions. Scroll down and click on Camera, which is in the Not Allowed section. Tap on Allow while using the app. Go back and open Snapchat again. That's how you can allow camera access on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.